Hello and welcome to this special broadcast. I'm Sahil Joshi from Mumbai. SIT Central NCB, headed by IPS officer Sanjay Singh, is in Mumbai and takes over 6 cases supervised by Sameer Wankhede, Mumbai's zonal director. The special investigating team will now be probing the cruise drug bust case involving superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan. Drug cases involving Maharashtra's Minister Nawab Malik's son-in-law Sabir Khan and actor Arman Kohli. SIT will also take over 3 other drug cases with national and international ramification. All the cases were earlier being supervised by Mumbai's zonal director Sameer Wankhede. The team is headed by senior police officer Sanjay Singh, a 1996 batch officer from the Odisha cadre and Deputy Director General of Narcotics Control Bureau. According to sources, SIT will first scrutinize papers of the case, then, if needed, it may re-record the statements of few people in the cases.
We have taken over a group of 6 cases.
लगाए गए हैं यहाँ पे, क्या उनका सहयोग भी लिया जाएगा इन्वेस्टिगेशन के दौरान?
He is JD Mumbai. He definitely हम लोग उनका पूरे जोन का असिस्टेंस लेंगे।
सर, पर अभी तक जो जांच हुई है उसका फिर से एक बार री इनपुट आपकी तरफ से?
As of now, well, we have to first take over the cases and then only I can.
Let's try and understand who is Sanjay Singh. My colleague Paulami Saha will explain you.
Who is Sanjay Singh, who has now taken over this case? Like we were telling you earlier, he is the 1996 batch Odisha cadre officer. He is an IPS who has served as the Additional Commissioner of the Odisha Police as well. Sanjay Singh has served as IG of the Odisha Police Modernization Department. Sanjay Singh has also been deputed earlier and now deputed, in fact, to the NCB as Deputy Director General. Also, he will head the Aryan Khan cruise drug bust case among the other cases that he is going to be supervising. There are 6 different cases. One of them is, of course, the Aryan Khan cruise drug bust case.
NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede has been removed as the investigating officer, the supervising officer in cruise drug bust case, in which Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan is an accused. A team led by senior police officer Sanjay Singh will take over the Aryan Khan case. Here is the news report.
Sameer Wankhede, the man who spearheaded drug crackdown in Bollywood, arresting high-profile celebs like Aryan Khan and grilling Ananya Pandey. He will no longer investigate the Aryan Khan case. At least 5 drug cases, including that of Aryan, have been removed from the purview of the investigator, who's battling allegations of extortion and forgery of marriage certificate. These drug cases will now be investigated by a central team headed by Deputy Director General Sanjay Singh, who reached Mumbai on Saturday. The NCB Zonal Director, however, is putting up a brave front. Wankhede claims he himself sought the probe by the central agency, thus ruling out his transfer from Mumbai to Delhi.
मेरा जो योगदान पहले था अभी भी वही रहेगा भाई।
हाँ।
मैं किधर शिफ्ट नहीं हुआ हूँ, सिर्फ दिल्ली केस रजिस्टर, मुंबई से दिल्ली केस रजिस्टर होके दिल्ली चले गया।
हाँ, आयो भी चेंज होंगे ना सर अभी केस के।
हाँ तो आए तो मैं आया हूँ उसके अंदर भाई।
Reacting to Wankhede's removal from the probes, Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik, who has levelled several allegations of irregularities against the officer, says this is just the beginning. Wankhede is in the eye of a storm following explosive charges of extortion levelled by Prabhakar Sel, one of the witnesses in the Aryan case. Prabhakar Sel is the bodyguard of private detective Kiran Gosavi, who was spotted with the NCB Zonal Director after the cruise drug raid. Gosavi, who is currently in police custody in a cheating case, had denied the charges.
गाड़ी में इतना ही चल रहा था कि 25 का बॉन्ड डाल, लास्ट 18 में फाइनल कर, 8 अपने को वानखेड़े को देना है, 10 अपने को बांट लेना है करके।
अच्छा, 25 मतलब क्या? 25 लाख कितना?
25 CR,
25 करोड़ रुपया। वानखेड़े साहब मतलब समीर वानखेड़े। ये किससे बात कर रहे थे?
ये सैम से बात कर रहा था.
प्रभाकर साहिल आणि त्याचे दोन्ही भाऊ ह्यांचे CDR रिपोर्ट आणि ह्यांचे मोबाईल कन्व्हर्सेशन काढावे, मोबाईल चॅट्स काढाव्या. माझे मोबाईल चॅट्स काढा प्रभाकर सोबत. जर मी कुठे बोललोय की बाबा इतना पैसा लेके आ, उतना पैसा लेके आ, माझा धंदा आहे इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्टचा, त्यामध्ये पूर्वीच्या काही चॅट्स असतील ज्यामध्ये माझ्या पैशांची देवाणदेवाण असायची ज्या टायमाला हा जायचा, ह्याचे फोन रेकॉर्ड काढा. सगळ्या गोष्टी क्लिअर होतील. हा जे जे एलिगेशन्स करतो आहे प्रत्येकावर, ते सगळे एलिगेशन्स फॉल्स आहेत.
This is not the only concern for Wankhede, who was grilled by the NCB team for hours last month. Nawab Malik has alleged Wankhede forged caste and marriage certificate to land the government job.
समीर वानखेड़े ने तो धर्म परिवर्तन नहीं किया, हम मानते हैं, क्योंकि जन्म से वो मुसलमान हैं. उनके पिताश्री ने धर्म परिवर्तन किया था. दोनों बच्चे बचपन से मुसलमान हैं, मुसलमान की तरह जिए. और मैं अकेला नहीं, बहुत सारे लोग इस कंप्लेंट को आगे ले जा रहे हैं.
मैं मुस्लिम नहीं हूँ, मैं हिंदू हूँ. मेरा नाम ज्ञानदेव कथुरूजी वानखेड़े है.
हमें जान का खतरा है और मुझे, मेरे बच्चों को, मेरे परिवार को डराया धमकाया जा रहा है. ट्रोल्स आते हैं, सारे फेक अकाउंट से आते हैं और हमें धमकियां दी जाती है कि आपको लटकाया जाएगा, आपको जलाया जाएगा. अब देखिए हम आपकी कैसे परेड कराते हैं, हम आपको पब्लिक में जला देंगे.
Wankhede shares a love-hate relationship with the B-town. He also headed the crackdown after Sushant Singh Rajput's death in 2020. The investigation saw the arrest of actor Riya Chakrabarti and questioning of actors like Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan. With Wankhede being removed from the Aryan case, it would be interesting to see how the crackdown now pans out. With Divyesh Singh, Munish Pandey, Arvind Ocha and Sahil Joshi. Bureau Report, India Today.
Well, the NCB maintains that these cases are linked with international ramification. That's why it has been transferred to the special investigating team. But why the cases have been taken away from Wankhede, explains Paul Misar.
Now let's take you through a list of the cases that the NCB SIT will be investigating. The first one, of course, is the Aryan Khan drug case that the NCB will be investigating. The next case is that of Nawab Malik's son-in-law, Sameer Khan. There's a drug case that the NCB will be, in fact, investigating. The Arman Kohli drug case to be investigated by the NCB SIT. There is the Mumbra drug case as well. And, of course, there is the Jogeshwari drug case as well. These are cases with national international ramifications. And finally, the Dongri drug case that the NCB SIT will be investigating.
After Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik accused Narcotics Control Bureau officer Sameer Wankhede of extorting crores and wearing uber expensive clothes, India Today accessed Sameer Wankhede's property declaration. Here is a news report.
Sameer Wankhede, the Narcotics Control Bureau Zonal Director, is seen as the man behind the crackdown on Bollywood. The face of the NCB in Mumbai is now in the headlines over accusations of extortion. Among other things, Wankhede's lifestyle is also now under the scanner.
पतलून लाख रुपए की, पट्टा 2 लाख रुपए का, जूता 2.5 लाख रुपए का, घड़ी 50 लाख रुपए की, 25 लाख रुपए की, 30 लाख रुपए की. जिस तरह के कपड़े इन तमाम दिनों में उन्होंने पहने, उसकी कीमत ही 5-10 करोड़ रुपए की है. क्या ईमानदार अफसर 10 करोड़ के कपड़े पहनता होगा?
Nawab Malik had earlier cast doubts on the Wankhede family's foreign tours, questioning the integrity of the officer. Do the charges cut any ice? India Today accessed the annual declaration made by Wankhede on his immovable properties to his department as mandated by rules.
As per the rules, government officials have to declare their immovable properties every year. Sameer Wankhede too has declared all his immovable properties in the statement in 2021. Apart from other properties that are owned by him, he has shown 2 flats in his name in Mumbai's suburban Lokhandwala area, which is considered as one of the posh areas in Mumbai. This is the Kamdini society where I'm standing right now. Sameer Wankhede in his declaration has shown 2 flats in his name in this very building. One flat at measuring around 1500 square feet along with parking, and the other one at measuring around 900 square feet. However, Sameer Wankhede has made it clear in his declaration that both the properties have been inherited from his late mother and have been bought way before he became an IRS officer.
Here is the list of assets submitted by Wankhede. A 1,500 square feet flat in Kamdhenu building, Lokhandwala, was bought in 1999 for 80 lakh rupees. Wankhede inherited the property from his mother and is the sole owner. He has shown an annual income of 6,60,000 rupees from the property. In his declaration, the current value of the property is shown as 80 lakh rupees. Wankhede has inherited another flat with an area of 900 square feet in the same Kamdhenu building in Lokhandwala from his mother. This was bought in 2004 for 70 lakh rupees. No income is shown from this property, which again is solely owned by Wankhede. The current value of the flat is shown as 70 lakh rupees. Sameer's sister and lawyer Yasmeen Wankhede runs her office from the premises. In the same vicinity of Lokhandwala, Wankhede has inherited one more flat from his mother. The 615 square feet flat is in the posh 17-floor Royal Classic Tower. This property is jointly owned by Wankhede, his ex-wife Dr. Shabana and their son. The current value of the flat is shown as approximately 80 lakh rupees. There is no income shown from the property. Another property inherited from his mother is in Navi Mumbai. Hotel Sadhguru is jointly owned by Wankhede and his father D.K. Wankhede. This was bought in 1995. The approximate annual income from the hotel declared is 2,40,000 rupees. The approximate current value of the property is shown as 1 crore rupees. Wankhede, his father and sister jointly own 4 acres of agricultural land in Varud village in Washim district. The approximate value of the land is shown at 40 lakh rupees. According to his declaration, he is not earning any income from the land. The only property Wankhede has bought during his service period is in a posh high-rise in Goregaon. The 1,100 square feet flat is valued at 2.20 crore rupees in the declaration. That is rupees 20,000 per square feet. This flat is jointly owned by Wankhede, his current wife Kranti Redkar and his father D.K. Wankhede. As per the declaration, the property is still under construction and full payment has not been made. After Nawab Malik raised questions about Wankhede's lifestyle, the NCB officer's wife Kranti Redkar has been vocal in defending him. When contacted for her reaction, Kranti said her version is out on Twitter. In a post on Tuesday, Kranti had said all of Sameer's properties are made by his mother when she was alive. Definitely not worth 50 or 100 crore. Sameer owns them since 15 years of age. All documents are produced to the government every year as per rules for civil servants. They are not Benami. According to the declaration submitted by Wankhede in January 2021, the approximate value of all properties solely and jointly owned is 5 crore and 90 lakh rupees. These include 5 flats in Mumbai, 1 hotel in Navi Mumbai, and agricultural land in Washim. The total annual income from one of the flats in Lokhandwala and the hotel is 9 lakh rupees. Real estate experts claim property details mentioned are approximate present value, which may vary according to situation. Wankhede is being investigated after a witness in the Aryan Khan drug case, Prabhakar Sel, claimed a bid to extort 25 crore rupees from Shah Rukh Khan. With Nawab Malik teasing a new expose on Sunday, the fireworks are bound to continue well past Diwali. With Kamlesh Sutar in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
Sameer Wankhede, the man who took it upon himself to clean the Mumbai's drug scene, now finds himself in the middle of investigation. Who is Sameer Wankhede? Here is a detailed report.
A decorated officer, known for his no-nonsense attitude,
Allegations have been leveled against you.
busting the Bollywood drug nexus, or a tool to defame Maharashtra, seeking crores in bribe from a superstar to let off his son in a drug bust case. Samir Wankhede, a Mumbai boy and a 2008 batch IRS officer, had joined the city airport as a customs official. In fact, in 2011, Wankhede, then a relatively junior custom official, stopped and grilled Shah Rukh Khan himself at the Mumbai airport. SRK, who was returning from London, then reportedly had to cough up 1.5 lakh rupees in penalty for excess baggage. The same year, even the World Cup trophy made of gold was detained, only to be released after paying due custom duty. Singer Mika Singh is also among the celebrities who found himself at the receiving end in 2013 for possessing foreign currency. Between 2014 to 2016, Samir Wankhede was posted as an additional SP in anti-terror agency NIA, handling high-profile probes like a Kalyan youth joining ISIS, and in the process winning the Medal of Excellence from the DG NIA. Between 2017 to 2020, Wankhede was posted as Joint Director in the Department of Revenue Intelligence, where he busted one of India's biggest gold smuggling cases, which involved the smuggling of 180 kilos of illicit gold into Mumbai. In 2020, he was loaned from the DRI to the Narcotics Bureau to take over the red-hot Sushant Singh Rajput death case. Wankhede was behind charge sheeting of 33 accused, including top celebrities, and a massive raid against drug peddlers who allegedly had Bollywood stars among their clients, thus bagging the Home Minister's Award for Excellence. The Aryan Khan drug bust case brought both accolades and brickbats for Wankhede, but he's maintained a stony silence with cryptic lines.
कोई कमेंट सर एक लाइन की माझी शुभेच्छा आणि सत्यमेव जयते.
Refusing to wilt despite scathing political attacks from the ruling Shiv Sena and NCP minister Nawab Malik, whose son-in-law was also arrested and got bail in a drug case under the watch of Wankhede.
मैं एक छोटा सा सरकारी मुलाजिम हूँ, वो बहुत बड़े मंत्री हैं, तो अगर देश की सेवा करने के लिए, ईमानदारी से काम करने के लिए, ड्रग्स हटाने के लिए अगर वो मुझे जेल में डालना चाहते हैं तो मैं उसे स्वागत करूँगा.
Drug raids are not the only filmy connect the officer has. He's married to Kranti Redkar, a Marathi actor. The couple tied the knot in 2017 and have 2 daughters. Wankhede's sister Yasmin is a criminal lawyer who runs an NGO and is a top office bearer of MNS Chitrapat Sena. She stood rock solid with her brother.
अगर आप बात कर रहे हो किसी के बारे में तो उनकी बेटी या उनकी बहुओं को ट्रोल करना और इतना नीचे गिर के बात करना इज समथिंग आउट ऑफ लाइक एक नहीं करते. बेसिकली लोग जो है नहीं करते. एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई वांट टू से कि ही शुड अंडरस्टैंड, ही शुड गेट एजुकेटेड, आई गेस.
Wankhede's father, Dayandev Wankhede, is a retired police officer. His mother, Zahida, largely shuns the limelight. So a pliant officer who does hit jobs against celebs for money, or an upright cop out to fight the high-profile drug menace in Mumbai, the jury is still out on Samir Wankhede. With Saurabh Bhaktania in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
This is all with me in this special broadcast. For news and updates, keep watching India Today.